Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the last content of your syllabus rectification of errors. Now you may see here the rectifications of errors. I am going to discuss about the concepts and the types of errors. Now first you may see the concept of the rectifications of errors. This refers the sometime the accountants commits errors at the time of recording means journal or the subdivision of journal and the posting means ledger posting. Then there is a need to make correction. To remove this error, the new entry will be passed. This new entry will be called as rectifying entry. Now the types of the rectifications of error. From the point of view, the rectifications errors can be classified into two categories. Number one, the errors which do not affect the trial balance. The errors which do not affect the trial balance called as two-sided error. Two-sided word is referring to affecting to the debit side as well as to the credit side. So the simple journal entry will be passed without opening suspense account. Now next is the errors which affects the trial balance called as one-sided error. When the one side is there, debit or the credit, then the one side will be filled with the suspense account which is open to tally the trial balance. Now errors which do not affect the trial balance called as two-sided error. In these cases, the trial balance will tally. It will not be disclosed by the trial balance. So these errors are error of commissions, errors of omissions, error of principals, compensating errors and the misposting errors also. But here the words are referring the error of commission. Now the first is the error of commission is committed due to the wrong posting of the transaction. Wrong posting word is referring with the help of one example, like the Rajhans traders paid the 25,000 but posted in his account 2500 in place of 25,000. It means that this is the exchange of value. So that means this error is called as wrong posting, misposting errors. Now the errors of omissions can be defined when the errors committed at the time of recording of transaction. So at the time of errors recording means that it is not recorded at the time of. That means they can be two types, complete omission and the partly omission. Like the example is here, credit sold to Mohan when 10,000 and the complete entry is not recorded. So when it is not recorded, it will not go till trial balance, not posted, not shifted to the trial balance. But suppose credit sales to Mohan only the one part like the 6,000 is recorded and 4,000 is not. It is called as partly recorded. So it will be rectified with the 4,000 only. My number third, errors of principles. The principal word is referring to the rules of debit and credits is to be followed. But sometimes it is not followed and the error has to be done. In place of debit, one item entered as another by violating the rules of the debit and credit principles errors called like rent paid to landlord is debited to landlord. When the rent is paid, rent should be debited, but debited to the landlord, it's not applicable as per the rules. So expense will be listed, not the personal account when payment in cash. So this error is called as principles errors. Now the compensating errors, when the two or more parties committed in same way that net effect of the both errors remain nil. Like example is here, if the purchase book is overcast by 10,000 because the purchase account is always remain debits, so the debit is 10,000, but now the purchase account, the sale return book is also be debited with the 10,000. So with the amount of 1,000, you may say undercast by the 10,000 and the purchase book is to be overcast with the 10,000. In the both case, the total will remain same because the both items are related with the purchase is debit, sale return is also on debit side. So the total is one is shortlisted, one is overstated. So in the total will remain same. So it will not reflect to the trial balance, but it will be needs to rectify. So these are the errors now. Now rectifying of the errors which do not affect the tile balance. Now how to rectify the errors which do not affect the tile balance? Number one, it is called as the two-sided errors. When you pass rectifying entry, the complete entry will be open in place of suspense account. Second is the rectification process. This process is to be used to rectify the transactions, cancelling the effect of the wrong debit and the wrong credit by reversing it. So the entry should be reversed. And the restoring the effect of the correct debit and the correct credit. So this is means the first the delete the effect of the wrong items and the enter the correct items. Now, for this purposes, the purposes means the effect of the accounts involved, which may be short debit or the short credit in one account, and in another is excess debit or the excess credit of an account. So, first of all, you have to see which side is short and which side is more, and then according to that, the side should be reversed. And then, therefore, the rectifying entry how to pass now. The rectifying entry means debit the account which is short or with the excess credit, and the credit the account with the excess debit or with the short credit. It means one item is to be excess, one item is to be shortlisted. So the shortlisted, the both entry will be automatically take the place. So this is the process now. First to cancel the effects. Second is restore the correct items. Third is find out the short debit and credits, and then accordingly to rectify the entries. So this is the complete process of the items. Thank you.